In this guide, we'll convert an Excel workbook into a Markdown file using Python and Spire.XLS. Converting Excel data to Markdown by hand is tedious, error-prone, and does not scale. Doing it in code gives you consistent, repeatable results. The workflow has 2 steps. Load the Excel workbook, then save it directly as a Markdown file. First, install Spire.XLS for Python with a single pip command. Create a workbook object, load the input Excel file, and call Save to Markdown to write the tables to a .md file. Here is the original worksheet on the left, and the resulting Markdown table after conversion. Beyond the basic conversion, you can control rendering with Markdown options, export a single worksheet, or copy a specific cell range into a new workbook and convert just that range. That's all you need to start converting Excel workbooks to Markdown with Python. Install Spire.XLS